In the complex world of business, where efficiency, profitability, and client satisfaction are paramount, having a robust system to manage everything from sales to projects to finances is a game changer. This is precisely the niche that Scoro aims to fill. Unlike many specialized project management tools, Scoro positions itself as an all-in-one work management software. So, how does Scoro software work and what makes it tick for businesses, especially those in the professional services industry? As a project management expert, I see Scoro as a comprehensive platform designed to provide a single source of truth for an entire business, bringing together various functionalities that are often scattered across multiple disparate tools. This consolidation is Scoro's core strength and how it aims to streamline operations. Let's break down the key components and how they work together within Scoro. 1. Centralized project management. At its heart, Scoro offers strong project management capabilities, but it integrates them with the broader business context. Project creation and scoping. You start by defining your projects, often directly from a client quote or proposal within Scoro's sales module. This ensures that the project scope, budget, and deliverables are aligned from the very beginning. You can create detailed project plans, breaking them down into phases, milestones, tasks, and subtasks. Task management and collaboration. Scoro provides various views for tasks, including lists, Kanban boards, and Gantt charts. Team members can be assigned tasks, set deadlines, add comments, attach files, and track their progress. This centralizes all project-related communication and documentation, reducing the need for endless email threads or separate communication tools. Resource planning and allocation. A crucial aspect for service-based businesses. Scoro allows you to visualize your team's workload and availability in real time. This helps project managers effectively allocate resources, prevent overbooking, and identify potential bottlenecks before they impact project timelines. You can see who is available, their capacity, and assign tasks based on this intelligence. Time tracking. Scoro has built-in time tracking features, enabling team members to log hours spent on tasks and projects. This is vital for accurate billing, especially for time and materials projects, understanding project profitability, and assessing team productivity. Timesheets can be generated easily for billing or internal reporting. 2. Integrated sales and CRM, client relationship management. Scoro doesn't just manage projects. It manages the entire client lifecycle. Lead and opportunity management. From the moment a potential client expresses interest, Scoro allows you to track them as a lead, manage your sales pipeline, and monitor the progress of deals. This helps sales teams stay organized and focused on converting opportunities. Quoting and estimating. You can create professional quotes and proposals directly within Scoro. The unique aspect here is that these quotes can instantly become the foundation for a new project, pulling in estimated costs and timeframes, ensuring seamless transition from sales to delivery. 360-degree client view. For each client, Scoro provides a comprehensive overview, including contact details, communication history, linked projects, invoices, quotes, and files. This means anyone interacting with the client has access to all relevant information, leading to better client service and stronger relationships. 3. Comprehensive financial management. This is where Scoro truly differentiates itself from many standalone project management tools. It brings financial aspects directly into the operational workflow. Budgeting and cost tracking. You can set detailed budgets for each project, tracking actual expenses against estimates in real time. This includes labor costs, from time tracking, expenses incurred, and supplier bills. This real-time visibility is critical for ensuring project profitability and preventing cost overruns. Invoicing and billing automation. Based on track time, completed tasks, or agreed-upon project phases, Scoro can automate the invoicing process. You can generate invoices, fixed fee, time and materials, retainer-based, send them directly to clients from the platform, and track their payment status. Can also automate recurring invoices for ongoing services. Purchase orders and expenses. Manage purchase orders for suppliers and track all project-related expenses within the system, ensuring all costs are accounted for and linked to the correct projects. Profitability analysis. Scoro's financial integration allows you to gain deep insights into project, client, and service-level profitability. You can see which areas of your business are most lucrative and which might need adjustment, helping with strategic decision-making. 4. Real-time reporting and dashboards. A single source of truth is only useful if you can make sense of the data. Scoro excels here with its reporting capabilities. Customizable dashboards. Users can create personalized dashboards that display key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics relevant to their role, be it project progress, sales pipeline, financial health, or team utilization. This provides an at-a-glance overview of what matters most. Detailed reports. Scoro offers a wide range of pre-built and customizable reports covering every aspect of your business. Project profitability reports, time utilization reports, sales pipeline reports, financial summaries, and more. These reports provide the data needed for informed decision-making, identifying trends, and spotting potential issues early. Real-time data. All data is updated in real time, meaning the reports and dashboards always reflect the current status of your projects and business operations, eliminating reliance on outdated spreadsheets. 5. Automation and integrations. To further enhance efficiency, Scoro includes automation features and integrates with other essential tools. Workflow automation. You can set up triggers and actions to automate routine tasks, such as sending notifications when a task is completed, updating a project status, or generating an invoice once certain criteria are met. Key integrations. Scoro integrates with popular accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks, communication tools, Slack, calendars, Google Calendar, and other business applications through direct integrations or via Zapier, allowing for a seamless flow of information across your tech stack.